na competent judicial authority ang Department of Justice? Why don't you just correct yourselves instead of looking stupid like this? Ibig sabihin sa Article 59, wala pang turnover. Hindi pa na-transfer si PRRD. May custody sa kanya. Nakita niyo si General Torre. Nasaan yung order na iso-surrender ng custodial state sa ICC si Duterte? Nasaan?
Dadagan ang Lito News Update.
Yung USEC dito, mga kabatas natin, it's so scary that he can do this.
Pero yun, pumunta na kami doon sa tube upang ipatupad, wala siya doon. At doon naman, nung pinatupad namin yung warrant, nakita ko siya doon sa VIP lounge, no? Na kahit pa paano, nakapasok siya doon, no? Pero yun, pumunta na kami doon sa tube upang ipatupad, wala siya doon. At doon naman sa tube, no? Yung hiningi ng kampo ni PRRD, yung copy ng warrant of arrest, ay nakapakita kami at naka-share kami sa kanila ng electronic copy ng warrant of arrest.
Wala akong pakialam sa electronic copy.
Una-una, isang malaking pagbabaliktad doon sa posisyon nila yan, ano? Dahil habang pinapatupad...
How can you say this with a straight face in front of the people? Tapos si Attorney Claire na isa ring abogado, hinahayaan niyang ganyan din mangyari sa harap niya mismo.
Pad namin yung warrant of arrest.
No reaction si Attorney Claire or correction means agreed siya. Hindi! Nagmamagaling daw kasi kayo. Siyempre no reaction, hindi naman ibig sabihin agreement yun.
Sinasabi nila na wala na tayo sa Rome Statute, wala na tayo sa ICC, dapat hindi gamitin yung mga provision ng ICC, ng Rome Statute. Ngayon, dahil convenient, biglang ginagamit. Pero sa amin naman, no, may nakalagay dun sa Article 59 na dapat may competent authority, competent judicial authority na magsasabi, na magpapatunay.
Sa inyo pa yan sa inyo pa yan competent judicial authority
Warrant, subject ng warrant of arrest ay si PRRD. Pangalawa na yung dumaan sa proseso, yung pagpatupad ng warrant of arrest sa kanya. At pangatlo, na ginalang lahat ng mga karapatan niya habang pinapatupad yung warrant of arrest. Ang nagsilbi bilang competent authority dito ay kami, no? Ang Department of Justice.
Nakikita mo kung bakit dinidelete na rin yung judicial? Kasi alam niya rin naman sa sarili niya na hindi siya competent judicial authority. DOJ may not be a judicial authority by Philippine law standards. Galing, no? Oh. Doon pa lang talo ka na Oh. DOJ may not be a judicial authority by Philippine law standards and by most legal standards. But the international law is a sui generis law by itself. It's a class of its own daw yung international law. Saan kaya niya kinukuha ito? Mga sinasabi niyang ito. International law. Dito palang basag na siya. Philippine law standards. Siyempre, papasok ka pa rin sa Philippine law standards. Basic conflict of laws. If there is a conflict between international law and Philippine law will prevail. Doon pa lang talo ka na. Hindi ka na makakapaglaban dyan. Oh. And not yet fully developed. So sasabihin mo, dahil hindi pa siya fully developed, we have a law here that directly says which are the competent judicial authorities. So, i-disregard na natin yung mga yon na determined na, sure na tayo kung ano yung competent judicial authority dito sa Pilipinas. Ang gagawin natin, pupunta tayo sa international law na hindi pa fully developed. Seryoso ka? Seryoso ka? My goodness. Ganon yung reasoning nito. The DOJ may suffice to be a judicial authority insofar as the procedure of arrest under Article 59. Anong nakalagay doon? Custodial state. Competent judicial authority in the custodial state. ICC pa nagsabi niya na, hindi ba, all we need to do actually is to look at Article 59 because the law is clear. It is unambiguous. It's very clear. Tapos gusto nyo palabuin. Gusto nyo yung hilaw. Gusto nyo yung malata. Yung hindi pa developed. Yun ang gagamitin natin para may ilusot nyo na competent judicial authority ang Department of Justice. Why don't you just correct yourselves instead of looking stupid like this? The UP colloquium through Attorney Mike, you made mention of an ICC case where the prosecutor general was declared as a competent judicial authority. Saan? You're just muddying things. Was it in the Philippines? Remember, we are talking about the custodial state here, which is the Philippines. I don't care kung yung prosecutor general sa Amerika, sa Ghana, sa Egypt, sa Indonesia, sa Malaysia ay competent judicial authority. I don't freaking care. Even if the ICC says that the prosecutor general is a competent judicial authority, that will be applicable if you are in the ICC already. Remember Article 59. Ibig sabihin sa Article 59, wala pang turnover. Hindi pa na-transfer si PRRD. Palusot kayo ng palusot eh. Hindi nyo na lang aminin yung pagkakamali nyo. Competent judicial authority in the custodial state. Kaya nga di ba sinasabi dito ni Attorney Claire na ang custodial state ay Dutch court? Kasi alam nilang hindi nila ginawa ito para i-shift niya yung blame sa Dutch court. Pero it's very clear that the custodial state during the arrest is Duterte. Sino may custody sa kanya? Nakita niyo si General Torre. Ipipilit pa talaga yung mali. Yun yung nakakainis dyan. If I was wrong, you saw me. I even change. I even say sorry. And immediately, pedal back. Back pedal. At sasabihin ko sa inyo, sorry, I'm wrong. Tama yung sinabi niya. Tama, ito yung tama. How difficult it is, or how difficult is it for you to do that? Have some self-respect. Mas lalo pa, respect your viewers. Respect the Filipino people. Don't treat them stupid because they already are. According to the IQ test, we have below average IQ. Mananatili tayong ganyan kung hindi natin hahasain yung utak natin. Mananatili tayong ganyan pag pinapakain natin ng maling impormasyon yung mga Pilipino. Let's promote healthy discourse like this. Alam ko, sasabihin na naman nila, o yan, sumisigaw, emotional. I'm not emotional, I'm passionate. In ad hominem ko ba kayo? I always attack the issue. My delivery is different. Your delivery is different. That's fine with me. If it's not fine with you, at least stick to the issue. Huwag kayong mag-ad hominem. Di makakatulong yan sa inyo. Kasi kung sinasabi nyong kami na ang magaling, baka kami nga. At kung kami na ang magaling, baka may maling nangyari na dapat itama. Once ordered to be surrendered by the custodial state. O nasaan yung order? Nasaan yung order na iso-surrender ng custodial state? Sa ICC, si Duterte. Nasaan? Once ordered to be surrendered by the custodial state, the person shall be delivered to the court as soon as possible. Ano ba yung sinasabi ulit dito? Ang maglalabas ng order to be surrendered by the custodial state ay sino? Yung competent judicial authority. Kasi, mga kabatas natin, itong Article 59 na ito, specifically 2, hanggang isurrender na, nasa Korte ng Pilipinas yan. At yung Korte ng Pilipinas ang gagawa ng order. At sasabihin niya, isang siomay, isang siopaw, tapos dalawang mami. Yun ang order ng Korte sa custodial state. Sasabihin niya, i-deliver nyo na yan. Gutom na yung tao. Alam niyo, it's very frustrating. It's very frustrating na you have people in power who can actually lie straight to your face without flinching. Tapos, mainstream media pa kayo. Di ba mainstream media nga? May media nga kapag nagre-report ng mali, nagkakaroon ng erratum eh. Pero usually, nag-i-erratum lang naman yan pag makakasuhan na sila. Again, international law is different from local laws. You've proven my point again. Naman, if international law is different from local law prevails. Naman, tapos ka na. Sana hindi ka abogado, parang awa mo na lang. Sana hindi ka abogado, parang awa mo na lang. Otherwise, pariset ka rin. Otherwise, pariset ka ng pariset. Again, international law is different from local laws both in context and in technical terms. Even in procedures, I agree. Pero local law still prevails. So your argument is dead. From its inception, dito sa taas pa lang, your argument is dead. So since the ICC court is bounded by the Rome Statute as well, anong as well? They are the ones that will interpret it and implement it in their decisions, not the local courts or local lawyers. Talaga, tinanggalan na ako ng karapatan. Bilang isang abogado, nagbigay ng aking legal opinion sa isang legal na bagay dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi kahit napakalinaw doon sa Rome Statute, na custodial state o kaya local law o municipal law o Philippine law ang gagana, tatanggalan mo ako ng karapatan na mag-interpret. Kahit nga hindi abogado, basta marunong mag-English na iintindihan ito. A person arrested shall be brought promptly before the competent judicial authority in the custodial state, which shall determine in accordance with the law of that state. Sinabi ba dito, a person arrested shall be brought promptly before the competent judicial authority in the custody of in the custodial state, which shall determine in accordance with the law of ICC? Sabi ba? Law of that state, sabi hindi naman law of ICC. Sunog ka na naman. Inglesero ka pa pero wala kang comprehension. I hope talaga hindi ka abogado, I swear. Not the local courts or local lawyers. Tapos sabi dun sa batas mismo na sinasite niya, in accordance with the law of that state. Ewan ko sa inyo.